Hey guys, hey, I'm coming to you fresh out of the shower, getting ready for bed. I decided that along with the regular daily videos that I do during the week and occasionally on the weekend, I wanted to start updating you guys daily on what my macros for every day are. So I usually post these to Instagram, and I have, I don't know, like 400 followers on Instagram, I think. But I know not all of you guys have Instagram or are there. So I thought that it could be beneficial if I got on here every night before bed and just kind of told you what my macros were. So tonight's calories, I did 1,792 calories out of 1,925. So I stayed under my calories, which is good. My protein, I was at 90 grams out of 122, so I stayed under on that. My fats, 146 grams out of 151, stayed under on that. And my carbs, I did 16 grams of carbs out of 19. So I did fairly well. My in-depth was 4% carbs, 76% fat, and 21% protein. Not mad at it. And then what I ate today. So for breakfast, I had, oh, that's yesterday. For breakfast, I had two, which I usually don't eat breakfast, but I was kind of hungry this morning. I had two of those pork sausage patties from Aldi. You can buy them in the bags. And two of those. And then I had my bulletproof coffee, which I just had a tablespoon of MCT oil and 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then I put some, what did I put in it? I put stevia, like 4 stevia packets in it. For lunch, I had a serving of the Smokehouse almonds by Blue Diamond, which is like 28 almonds. And then I had 1 small avocado. And then for dinner, I had 8 ounces of roast beef, 8 strawberries, because I could not stop, a 4th cup of the Enlightened sea salt caramel by Enlightened, and then because I was taste testing, I had a 5th of a cup of the mint chocolate chip ice cream by Enlightened. And then at work for a snack, I did try one of the Russell Stover sugar-free chocolate candies. It was the peanut butter cup. A coworker has been urging me to try it. I know it doesn't have the best things in it, but I tried it and it was good. I still prefer the Atkins ones. They have cleaner ingredients, but anyways, and that was it. And I just clicked I'm done logging for the day, and it said, yay, you met your goal. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm just going to upload this. There's not going to be any intro, outro. It's just going to be super easy and just like a nightly cap. So hope you guys are having a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.